Good morning, students. So yesterday I have explained the story of the Regatta Storica festival, which is celebrated in the Venice. So Alice asked about that, and who explained this one? This was explained by Sam. Sam everything explained the festival story. So what she asked Alice, is there a story behind this festival to ask Alice? So when Sam told all about this festival which is celebrated in Venice, so she asked her, is there any story behind it? Because Alice, when she read the story about this Chinese festival in book, she thought that this festival may be having a story, a history it may be having. So she asked this Sam whether any story is there or not behind this festival. That time Sam, what he says, we'll see. Oh yes, said Sam, the parade is held in the memory of a day way back in 1489. So what is saying? In the memory of a day, back in which year? 1489. When the Queen of Cyprus arrived in Venice, most of the boats are gondolas and are decorated in the 16th century style. So when it is celebrated and why it is celebrated, they have told here. It is celebrated in 1498. It was celebrated in 1498. Why it was celebrated? It was celebrated in the memory of the Queen of Cyprus. Queen of Cyprus arrived to this city, Venice city. So in her memory, every year they are celebrating in Venice. Most of the boats are gondolas. Most of the boats are gondolas. Gondolas means what? Long and narrow. Long and narrow. You can see here boats, how they are. Long and narrow boats they have built and are decorated in 16th century style. The crew wears traditional costume. I also saw wider boats decorated in white, red and gold, which looked absolutely grand. So you can see here the boats are decorated with red color. And what Sam says, he also saw the boats decorated in white, red and golden color. So what he is saying, they look absolutely grand, means very beautiful. They look very beautiful. 4 races take place after the parade. See, when the Queen of Venice arrived to this city, they welcomed with a grand parade. Who will do parade? Police. Here will do, police will do their parade. So here also the city of Venice, people will do the parade and they welcome them. 4 races take place after the parade. The races are divided according to the age of the rowers and the type of the boats. So what they are doing, there will be 4 types of races divided according to the age of the rowers, means age of the participants. According to age, they are dividing. So young people, middle-aged people, old people. In this way, they are dividing and they are keeping the competition. The boats race down the Grand Canal. So there will be a big canal. In that the race will take place. The winning post is a floating stage. Hundreds of people gather all along the Grand Canal to watch the parade and the races. Many people watch the races from their windows. So to watch the parade, where the parade will take? Parade will also take in this boat only. In one boat, the Queen of the Venice will be sitting in other boats. These people of Venice, they will perform the parade with a grand music, and all this parade and race to watch this. Many people will be gathered there. Many people watch the races from their windows. So as you know that there will be a canal in the city only. You have seen, observed here. Big canal is there. Beside that, buildings are there, houses are there. People watch from that building only. In the same way, here also they are watching. Okay. Now see here. When I grow up, I will travel the world and see all these wonderful festivals, said Alice. So, Alice, after hearing this all wonderful things of the festival of Venice, what she told? She told that when she grew up, she will go around the world and watch all these wonderful festivals. I will come with you, said Veena. So, Veena, her friend, she also told her she will also join with her to see these all wonderful festivals around the world. I will be a photographer and take photos of all these races. See what she is telling. She is telling that she will take the photos of these all wonderful festivals. So as you go to any tour, you will also be very much happy and eager to take photos, isn't it? In the same way, Alice is also telling that she will take photos because it will be sweet memories. And I will write about them in newspapers, said Sam. See what Sam is saying. He is saying that he will write